Friends, in my last video in which I discussed how we can find a number from any broken IC, PWM controller, any SMPS controller IC or any IC which have no number, how we can trace the number for that IC. I demonstrated that video from my laptop. And today I received a message from one of my viewers. He asked me, "Sir, kindly tell me from mobile how we can use mobile phone to check any number for any IC." So let's discuss. First of all, open your Chrome browser from your mobile phone. Go to address bar in the top side. Type here remote-odd.net /IC_power. Type this and then go enter. This page basically Russian language. Just only press English, translate, press these three dots. First of all, hit desktop side. Hit these three dots again and add to home screen. Give some name here, for example IC data. Hit add button. So now this page is added to our home screen. Anytime we want to check any IC, just only hit this button. We will directly reach here. Now check the board. Check the board and check the footprint of the IC. If the number is missing, IC is blast. First of all, check Vcc pin. How we can find Vcc pin? The auxiliary winding of the power transformer, there is a diode, rectifier diode. Check that diode and check that at which pin of IC it is connected. That is Vcc pin. Open this drop down window. Uncheck this first box. For example, that is connected to pin number 4. Okay. Then we have to check ground pin. How we can find the ground pin? Trace which pin of IC is connected to the capacitor negative terminal, the main DC capacitor, bulk capacitor. In our case, it is connected to pin 1 and 2. Two pins are connected to ground line. Okay. Then check feedback pin. How we can find feedback pin? Pin of IC which is connected to optocoupler. Open this drop down window. Uncheck the first box. If it is connected to pin number 3, for example, hit OK. Then there is a drain pin. We have to check if there is a MOSFET, external MOSFET, then we have to enter the drive pin. If we don't have any MOSFET, external MOSFET, the MOSFET is built in the IC. So in that case, we have to connect the drain pins. For example, in my case, I am discussing Viper 12A, which have 4 pins, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pins. These 4 pins are connected to transformer primary winding. Drain pin, which is connected to transformer primary winding, that is drain pin. So if we have external MOSFET, then in that case we have to enter the pin which is connected to gate of the MOSFET. Now hit the sort button. In this condition we will find AP8012, pin number 4 VCC, pin 1 and 2 ground, pin 3 feedback, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is drain pin. Then we can find MR5040-.60. So it have VCC at pin 4 and 10. So we have to check, and drain pin is 15 pin, pin number 15, and 6, 7, 8, these pins are not connected. So this is not our IC. So we have to check the first one and third and fourth, Viper 12A or Viper 22A, and we can press the datasheet button and datasheet will download it. So datasheet is here for Viper 12A. In this datasheet we have to check the VCC voltage and we can compare the second IC with these voltage. So in supply section here we have to check the voltage, VDD on, VDD off, these two ranges, that is 8 volt and 14.5 volt. If the second IC have the same voltage, then we can use that IC. Now we have to go to oscillation section. So oscillator section, it have 60 kHz fixed frequency. So if we want to compare the data with AP8012, or Viper 22A. If the both VDD on, VDD off and frequency is same, we can use that IC as an equivalent. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.